Okay, here we go.
Nice shot, Sean. I'll have to edit that out. Ooh. Okay, I have drivers. I have turn marshals. I have... Oh my goodness. We're going to have 2 hours of false starts. All right. Drivers, less than 5. Oh, Pulper. Who is that? It's Pulper and Dave Jones. Oh, my goodness. It's Pulper. Justin Ealing with a tap. Oh, boy, Justin Ealing not wasting any time. Goes to the front. Pulper looking to the inside, looking for a little bit of payback. It's getting rough out there. Oh, that is under review. That is under review. So it's Pro 1, Team Access, Germantown Auto, Team WTF, Collision Service, and Team GOAT. I have never seen a clock that said 119 minutes on it. This is awesome. I've even brought cough drops so I could last 2 straight hours. I am ready. So it's Pro 1, Team Access, and Team WTF up to the third and final podium position. Your leader is Mike Pulper in the pink and white Pro 1 team truck. He's in the carousel. Oh. Looks like red got around Dave Jones in the Team Access truck.
We got the radar gun for these guys.
We got a radar gun?
Yeah.
I have seen everything. An hour and 20-minute clock and a radar gun for your truck. I'm out. I'm done. I've seen enough to know I've seen too much. So it's Pro 1, WTF, and Team Access, your top 3, followed by Germantown Auto, Collision Service, and Team GOAT. Mike Pulper in that Pro 1 truck wasting no time trying to get around traffic, trying to put this one away early. But we've got 117 minutes left to go. I've just been informed that Steve Dunn will be the relief driver, so Pulper's out there trying to build up the lead. Well, you know what, though? Marshall. Yeah. Oh! Oh, okay, yeah. Team Access, Dave Jones in that white truck back up to the second position. But he's got the leader right behind him. Watch coming in, that track is cleared. Dave Jones looking for blood in an inside line.
Speed gun says 20 miles an hour.
Right now, somebody just got clocked with the speed gun at 20 miles an hour down the straightaway. Mike's fastest lap so far has been a 12.5, turned to 13 flat. Team Access with a 13.7. WTF with a 13.4. Now a 13.8. Germantown Auto 14.3. Collision Service 13.9. And Team GOAT 17.4. Wow, everybody's turning exactly 20 miles an hour at the end of the straightaway. No one has a speed advantage. This is all driver. And I use that term a little loosely. Man, Mike Pulver out for blood. You put a Euro Truck radio in his hand, he turns into a different guy. Got some clean track ahead of him. As we're coming up on the 5-minute, 115-minute mark.
We can't tell the pace. We run out of number spaces. We got pace block. We can't tell what the pace is.
Let me see if I can solve that.
Probably is, but I don't want to mess with it during the race.
I am taking a poll up here at timing and scoring to see who cramps up first.
Who what?
Cramps up. Or who locks up. They got to trade out every 20 minutes, right?
Or whenever the battery's done.
All right. Got team collision in the pit area. All right. Bushnell, your 1-minute clock for working at it there at the pit has just started 10 seconds ago. You have 50 seconds and counting. Huh? Yeah, well.
Put it down! Go! You get 1 minute time frame over there, then you got to take it to the pit. You don't work on it. My turn, drive it. My turn yet?
.730 down, 112.30 left to go. It's Pro 1, WTF, and Team Access, your top three. Germantown Auto, Collision Service, and Team Goat rounding out that top six. Oh, into the straightaway, it's clear. One into the penalty box, that was Team Access. I don't think that will be for position. How much time? 111 and 30 seconds. Nine down, 111 minutes left to go. $111 minutes left to go. 111 minutes left to go. Oh. That was the softest spin out I think I've ever seen in my life. Oh my. Uh-oh. All right, Team Pro 1 on lap 45, Team WTF serving lap 43, Team Access serving lap 43, so Team Collision Service serving the lap 37, Germantown Auto serving lap 37, and Team Goat serving lap 36. "109 minutes. We got one burning down already? I was going to say, watch going into the carousel, but it's clear. I think I see my cookie connection has arrived. I think I see my cookie connection has arrived. Okay, as this plays out, your leader is still Mike Palfer, team driver for Pro 1. He just turned lap 54. Then it's Team WTF on lap 52. Then Team Access on lap 52. Team Collision Service on lap 45. Germantown Auto on lap 45. And Team Goat serving lap 42. Get it started.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you. Don't you ever talk like that in my place. Okay. 12:45 down, 107:15 left to go. Whose arms getting tired? Whose hands starting to cramp? Whew, easy, guys. We got another hour and a half of this. Wow. I want to see whose battery gives out first. These are only silver can motors.
Run those 5,000 packs.
I've just been informed the last one comes off for a battery change is getting teched. Oh, your leader in the mix of things. Team Access, he got around, who was that? Team Goat, I think. He's working on Dave Jones at Team Access. He gets around him. Oh, Dave roughing him up in the carousel, pays the price. Mike Palfer up there thinking this thing handles better than his 12 scale. Nope. An astounding nope from Mike Palfer. Poor Mikey's up there probably thinking a milk crate with 4 tires would handle better than this turd. Whew. 105.20 left to go. Oh! Wow. I've just been informed by the stewards that's under investigation. Okay. Looks like Team WTF is going to be the first one off for a driver change and a battery change. So let's see who they switch out drivers with as they frantically work in the pits. We need the wireless mic, Joe, with like an on-site reporter down there.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Really? Check. I got nothing on the wireless. Got nothing on the wireless. Battery's on, the light's on. Oh, is this on? No. Maybe that would help. Turn it off, turn it back on.
Okay. I'm going down to the pits.
Okay. Mike Pulper off the driver's stand now for Pro 1. Wow, look at Mike Pulper jog. Pro 1 with a Pro jog and Euro truck. I have seen everything. I think we even have that on video.
Get the microphone. Did I lay my battery down?
Joe, is this it? And it looks like the new driver for Pro 1, I'm not sure his name, but Conley? Okay. Yeah, where are all my turn marshals at? This could get brutal.
Turn marshals, please. Just had it in my hand.
Okay. Team Access now up to the top after the driver change. Pulper out the turn marshal. Now he's out of breath from running all over the place, from the driver's stand to the pit area to the turn marshal
Pit
area.
reporter. Things are very calm in the pits right now, waiting for more battery changes.
I've got Team Access serving lap 76. Pro 1 now serving lap 76.
We have a complaint about pit etiquette. We have drivers from Pro 1 being protested because they're blocking the other team members from getting to the pits.
Wow. Team Access now up front. Dave Jones, who has yet to serve his pit stop, now out front. We'll see what the over-under is on it.
How much time?
101.30. You got an hour and 90 minutes. It's Team Access, Pro 1, Team WTF, Germantown Auto, Collision Service, and Team GOAT. Not sure what happened to Team GOAT. They're way behind,
Another
only
complaint.
lap 55.
A mess out there.
All right, Team GOAT back out there. Pro 1 now back up to the top. Pro 1 now serving lap 83. Team Access out into pit area. Not sure where the truck went. I see a driver up there. All right. We are officially out of the triple digits on the minute clock. At least for the countdown, anyway. We're at 99:45 left to go in this one. Looks like Team Access and the collision service. Oh, I see Team Access has made their way back out. And there they are. The 91-second pit stop. Looking for collision service. There they are. Oh, watch into the straightaway. Woo. Uh-oh. Team WTF is trying to make a comeback. Oh. Meanwhile, collision service having all sorts of issues on the track. I would probably take some goal rate out of that, Sean. Oh, wow. Oh. I have got to say, this is the most I've ever seen Mike Pulver ever fired up. Wow. Hey, Katie, this is on video. It's on video. Yeah. Oh. The stewards will want to see teams Pro 1 and Team WTF in the trailer after the race. We have officially 97 minutes left to go as we take 30 seconds for a station break and a cookie. Brady, don't do that again. I saw that. Don't do it again. Yeah. Down at the carousel. Brady? No. He literally cut the track short. Yeah. Well, that was okay. Everybody's got to take them out. That's our only chance that we're talking about. Yeah. It's all right, I got to stand up anyway. Okay, now that I've had my cookie break from Susie's Cookies, Pro 1 now serving lap 104. Team Access serving lap 98, now 99. Team WTF serving lap 98. Germantown Auto down to lap 86. Collision Service lap 79. Looks like I think they're back off the track. Yeah. And Team Goat, lap 79.
Huh? We're off. We're changing tires. Oh! You said that's Conley? Yeah. What's his first name?
Jason Conley out there running for his life with Braden Bowling from Team Access behind him, trying to open up that gap. Watch the carousel, drivers. It's clear.
Oh! Truck detonation! Complete detonation!
We got one topless.